Good evening, Trust everyone. My name is Hill. I'm the leader of the team Lowkenuinely. And today I want to talk about our project is the TruthGuard, empowering digital safety with the explainable AI. Our team is from Swinburne University of Technology, and we engage this competition. So first of all, let's move to about addressing the trust gap. So in our digital era, information is everywhere, but trust is vanishing. Every millions from victim to phishing fake news. But the real problem isn't just the attack, it's the trust gap. Traditional tools tell us what is dangerous, but they never tell us why. This leaves everyday users defenseless and confused about our target and our audience. That is, we focus on everyone from students to senior citizens who navigate the internet daily. Our goal is to empower these communities, transforming them from passive targets into AI literate defenders. So let's talk about our prototype. And here's the slide about the problem to the two phishing attacks, fake news, and user vulnerability. Secondly, is about the truth solution. Introducing about the TruthGuard, an intelligence-driven ecosystem built on robust React and Node.js architecture. What makes us unique is scalable AI. TruthGuard doesn't just flood a threat, it used advanced machine learning models like Random Forest and SVM to analyze language patterns and metadata, then provide transparent listening so you can learn and stay safe. That is our about solution. Second, that is why we are innovative. We're team, we're truth girl. Because we are people first, while other people figures will be literacy. We have optimized a professional grade cloud infrastructure with zero initial cost, providing that powerful innovation is possible with the right mindset. Just integration the trust gap where Tim O'Kennedy, and this is the Truthful website as you can hear. So this is about the next step, include free face the long-term vision. In the future we pretend to create this app to into a Go extension. So that is about our presentation. Thank you for listening. See you in the next pro.